Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for the ultimate gaming experience, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to be talking about the gaming all-in-one desktop computer white 34-inch monitor Core i7 CPU i5 i3 with NVIDIA GTX HD graphics card for PC gamer. This is the ultimate gaming desktop computer that will take your gaming experience to the next level. First of all, let's talk about the specifications of this amazing gaming desktop. With its Core i7, i5, i3 and i9 9900K CPU options, you can choose the perfect processor for your gaming needs. Not to mention the NVIDIA GTX HD graphics card 4G, which will provide you with stunning visuals and smooth gameplay. And let's not forget about the 34-inch monitor, which will give you an immersive gaming experience like no other. What sets this gaming desktop apart is the fact that it's an all-in-one desktop computer. This means that you don't have to worry about messy cables and multiple components cluttering your gaming space. Everything you need is neatly packed into one sleek and stylish desktop. But it's not just about the specs and features, it's also about the quality and reliability of the product. Our company has years of experience in the industry, and we take pride in delivering the best quality and most innovative products to our customers. With our team of well-trained workers, technical engineers, and sales professionals, we ensure that you receive the best service and support. And the best part? We offer OEM ODM service, so you can customize your gaming desktop to fit your specific needs. Whether it's the capacity of RAM hard disk or the motherboard interface, we can tailor the specifications according to your requests. So, if you're ready to take your gaming to the next level, then make sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on the gaming all-in-one desktop computer white 34-inch monitor Core i7 CPU i5 i3 with NVIDIA GTX HD graphics card for PC gamer. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gaming reviews and tech updates. See you next time.